This is Paul. Yeah, I was reading Law on the Farm. Yeah, and they have what's called legal references for farmers, homemakers, and persons engaged in the field of agriculture. And there's a lot of books that they used as reference in making this book right here. Yeah. You can see they used the Home Library of Law, 6 volumes, Doubleday, and they used the American Commonwealth, Macmillan Company, and then the Law of Cooperative Marketing and Law of the American Farmer, the Common Law, the Law of Animals, Law of Wives and Daughters. Now, when you really look at a lot of these law books, it's not like they wrote themselves. They oftentimes reference other books and other periodicals, encyclopedias, and statutes that are useful in writing one of these law books. Now you'll notice there's a word called homemakers, and I'm in feed, food, and fertilizer, and I had planned on being a farmer. I'm one of these types of farmers that invest in farms, and then I lease the farm out to others that do the farming, but it's good for me to understand the laws. And then I was wanting Marilyn Van Proyen to be the homemaker in my home, the mother of my 5 sons. Now, I know I have not went through every law book, but I'm sure that without the petitioner's signature acknowledging the court order, without actual notice and opportunity being given to me as a respondent before the court order was issued, um, it is such that I am planning on filing a lot of lawsuits against those that have refused to enforce the laws of the United States. Now, my desire is to put my 5 sons with Marilyn and her 6 kids, that we might have a home together. She would be the homemaker, I would be the farmer. Now, I have emailed the protection order that has forgeries on those 2 documents. Yes. That there is no signature of the petitioner. There's no actual notice to the respondent. Right. Was issued for 10 years. Yes. Went through the constitutions of pretty much every state. Yeah. All those federal statutes that it violates. Yes. State laws that it violates. Right. Court instruction forms that it violates. Yes. Now you would think that any court would understand that as a farmer, I would like to have my family, and I want Marilyn to be the homemaker on our farm. Now, I'm going to want that protection order removed. Dissolution of marriage removed. I'm going to want to contact my sons, and I'm going to want to contact Marilyn, and we are going to want to live together in the same location. Now, I would like the laws of the United States enforced. Okay? So, give me my family. Send, send me an email. Yes. And that way we could be together. Marilyn could be the homemaker, and I could be the farmer.